Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Soni Setiawan. My ID student is 2021 2022 0038. I'm from class B1 2021. In this video, I will explain about my project on critical literacy. My project is noticing about the story Lake Toba. Noticing of the folktale, the origin of Lake Toba. Introduction. The origin of Lake Toba is a folktale deeply embedded in Indonesian culture, particularly within the Batak community on North Sumatra. This tale recounts the lives of Batara Guru, Ompuni Bolon, their son Batara Sihir, and his interactions with supernatural entities leading to the creation of Lake Toba. By analyzing this story through the lens of critical literacy with a focus on social justice, we can uncover underlying themes, power dynamics, and cultural message. Summary of the tale. The folktale begins with Batara Guru, who falls in love with Ompuni Bolon. They have a son named Batara Sihir, endowed with supernatural abilities. Batara Sihir catches a magical fish that transforms into a beautiful woman named Borutoba. They fall in love and have a son, Partomuan. However, the gods disapprove of Batara Sihir's relationship with Borutoba and punish the family by turning them into stone, which eventually leads to the creation of Lake Toba. And then, analyzing the tale. The first is power dynamics and authority. The gods in the story represent ultimate authority, exerting control over mortal lives. This reflects hierarchical structures where those in power dictate acceptable behavior and punish deviations. The gods endure and subsequent punishment of Batara Sihir and his family illustrate the consequences of defying divine authority. This mirrors societal norms where those in power enforce rules and maintain control through fear and retribution. The second is gender roles and relationships. The tale features several key relationships: Batara Guru and Ompuni Bolon, Batara Sihir and Borutoba. These relationships highly traditional gender roles, with women often being depicted in roles that revolve around beauty and domesticity. Ompuni Bolon and Borutoba, though central to the story, do not possess the same level of agency as their male counterparts. This reinforces patriarchal values where women's roles are secondary to men's. The third is supernatural elements and cultural beliefs. Supernatural elements are prevalent in the story, with characters like Batara Sihir and Borutoba embodying mystical powers. This reflects the cultural belief in the supernatural and its influence on human life. the transformation of the fish into Borotoba, and the eventual creation of Lake Toba underscore the significance of nature and its mystical qualities within the Batak culture. The tale conveys respect for nature and the belief in its sacredness. The fourth is punishment and justice. The punishment of Batara Sihir and his family by the gods raises questions about justice and fairness. The hardness of their punishment, being turned into stone, suggests a rigid and unforgiving view of justice. This can be interpreted as a critique of authoritarian systems, where punishment is severe and inflexible, lacking empathy and understanding of individual circumstances. The fifth is environmental message. The creation of Lactoba from the transformed family can be seen as a metaphor for the consequences of human action on the environment. The story may serve as a cautionary tale about the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting its forces. This environmental message aligns with contemporary concerns about sustainability and the impact of human activities on the natural world. The sixth is cultural significance. The origin of Lake Toba holds cultural significance, particularly for the Batak people. It reflects their values, beliefs, and traditions, serving as a means of cultural transmission. The tale emphasizes the importance of oral tradition in preserving cultural heritage and imparting moral lessons. The continued relevance of this story in Batak culture highlights the role of folklore in maintaining cultural identity and cohesion. And the seventh is conclusion. By applying critical literacy to the folktale, The Origin of Lake Toba, we gain deeper insights into the cultural, social, and environmental message embedded within the story. This analysis reveals the power dynamics, gender roles, beliefs, and values that shape the narrative. Understanding these elements allows us on this story. We are reminded of the importance of questioning and analyzing traditional narratives to uncover underlying meanings and promote a more just and equitable society. Questioning. The first is, what role do the gods play in the story, and how does their interpretation affect the outcome? The answer is, the gods in the story represent an ultimate authority and control over mortal lives. Their intervention is crucial as it drives the narrative to its climax and resolution. They disapprove of Batara Sihir's relationship with Borutoba, a magical creature, and punish the family by turning them into stone. This divine punishment leads to the creation of Lake Toba. The goddess' action highlights themes of power, control, and the consequences of defying divine authority, reflecting societal norms and belief about justice and the supernatural. The second question: how does the folktale reflect traditional gender roles, and what implication do these roles have on the character's action and fate? The answer is the folktale reflects traditional gender roles by portraying male characters with more active and powerful roles, while while female characters are depicted in roles centered around beauty and domesticity. Batara Guru and Batara Sihir are depicted as active figures with significant agency, whereas Ompuni Bolon and Borutoba, though central to the story, have limited agency and are primarily defined by their relationships with the male characters. This reinforces patriarchal values, suggesting that men are the primary actors in society while women are secondary. These gender roles impact the character's action and fate, as the male character's decisions drive the plot, while the female character's rules and fates are largely determined by their relationship with men. The third question is: what environmental message can be interpreted from the creation of Lake Toba in the folktale, and how does this reflect the cultural belief of the Batak people? The answer is the creation of Lake Toba from the transformed family can be interpreted as a metaphor for the consequences of human action on the environment. The story serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting its force. This environmental message reflects the cultural belief of the Batak people, who hold nature in high regard and believe it in its mystical qualities. The tale underscores the sacredness of nature and the need to preserve and respect it, aligning with contemporary concerns about environmental sustainability and the impact of human activities on the natural world. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.